Wagwan family, this is TSW Forex. We're gonna do a top-down analysis on GBPJPY. Of course, we always start on the monthly time frame all the way down to the lower time frame. We're gonna start off on the monthly time frame as stated, and you can see that we have been seeing a descending structure on the monthly time frame for GBPJPY. These highs, which are lower highs, we connect them with this trend line as a reference point to see if there's any reaction on the third touch or the third as price reacts this level. We're going to see if there's any reaction as it approaches. So on previous price action starting from 2017, we can see that price was in a descending channel, and also this descending channel, when it touched on the third touch on the support here, we have double bottom as well. So that's a good sign for a bullish movement up. So as you can see, this monthly candle that touched on the third touch and also formed a double bottom, we can see there's a long wick. So this is showing that a lot of buyers are here and the buyers are very strong. Let's zoom in into the previously closed monthly time frame, monthly candlestick, that is, which is the August candlestick. And we can see that this August candlestick closed very bullish. So this is a good sign. After a third touch on support, normally we'll see that price break through the structure. We haven't gotten a break at this through the structure as yet, but however, we're looking for some form of bullish movement to continue to these levels of the resistance level of the channel. Down to the weekly. So on the weekly isn't completed as yet, as it's only one day out of the week so far. So we are expecting in the next 3 to about 4 days times, we're gonna, when the weekly candle finish, we'll probably have either a rejection from this level to some form of support here, or we may have a bullish break above this resistance level for a continuation up. Now, how do we know that this is this resistance level? If you look to the left, you can look at the price action here and see that there's a support level here. So we have multiple touches on this level, so we can see that it is a support level. Price broke through, and of course when support is broken, it becomes resistance. So we could see that last week we had a rejection from that level, and we're now looking for some form of reaction in these levels, either below or above. So on the daily time frame now, on the daily time frame, we can see that there's a rising structure forming. Now this can go one or two ways. We can either have a third touch on the resistance level here, which would have looked for some form of downside movement, or we can have price come down to the support level here for an upside movement. However, this key level here that we have, the resistance level, and which is also support level as well, we can look for some form of reaction here. So for now, since the previous daily candle broke through very impulsively, we're expecting now for price to retest above this level for a continuation up. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it was forming some form of rising structure here, right? We had multiple touches on the support level, and of course on the third touch here we had a movement up. Now if this resistance level was a bit off furthermore, so we had to extend it like this. We got that touch off the resistance level, but of course the momentum from the bulls are very strong. So if the momentum on the bulls are very strong, of course this resistance level wouldn't push price too far. It's just a take profit level for the buyers. So we adjust this structure to get more clarity, and we can see that we had that rejection, 2 4-hour candles bearish, and then we're now having an upside move. On the hour time frame, it's a lot more clearer. It was in a parallel channel or ascending channel, and we had that break. We didn't even go to this level, which is the previous support. So if we have a low that is higher than the previous, of course that's saying that it's higher highs, higher lows, which is showing that it's in an uptrend. Now, for now, this is what I'm looking for as it stands. So there's some form of support that I'm looking for here for price to respect. Let's adjust this a bit. Of the background faded a little. All right, so turn on the opacity of this rectangle box. So either we're gonna have a third touch on this support level here for a long, or on these key level here. So for now, GBPJPY as of the 31st, we're gonna look for some form of touch in these levels for a continuation up. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.